Crown Sneaker Cleaner from East A. Specifically cleans the inside and outside of your shoes, maintains color as well as protects it, kills odors on the inside as well as conditions the skin of your shoes. So be that fabric, be that leather, be that suede, it will make sure it is protected by keeping the integrity of the material and well as keeping it fresh and clean, giving the sneakers you have the crown they deserve. Sneaker Crown is say yo.
Alright, and in a different language.
Hi. Ababuza lapho. Okay, isneaker crown cleaner yakhe isicathulo. Ngaphandle futhi ngaphakathi wesicathulo, ne? Mawugezisa uyenze ukuthi ibe moisturized. After moisturize vele izoyenza ukuthi isicathulo sakho sibe right, mayiqinile izohlala kanjalo. My soft izohlala kanjalo. Isneaker crown SA leli, the crown your sneaker deserves.
Hey.
We have different combos. Today we are running a promotion, so if you weren't here today, you had to see it to believe it. You missed out. Le izokushayela nge-310 because ungishayele video.
So 310, 310 rand for
ihambe nge-500.
Usually goes for 500 combination.
Le combo le ishaye nge-500.
For 500 milliliters.
Izoba 310. Then mawufika kumuntu uzovele kushayele something that is customized to your shoes. So if unezi leathers kakhulu bazokushayele nge-leather care. Uzothole mhlambe le uzoshaya nge-320.
320?
Yeah.
For leather.
So it depends really what shoes you have, how we're going to cater to your budget.